Today we bring you the 8th part of application building. We add a container. In the container we add a color. Add another container to it. Modify the container size. Add an opacity of 70% to the container. Modify the color of the container. Add a container to this container. Click on this container to modify the size of the container. Align it left. Adjust the size of the container. Add a rounded corner to the container. Modify the background color of the container. Click on the icon. We add an icon to it. Resize the icons. Center it horizontally. Change the color to gray. We insert an image on this side. Select the image in the clip to insert. Resize the image. Click on this container. We add a container to it. Adjust the size of the container. Cancel its background color. We add a picture to it. Choose the image you want to insert in the clip. Modify the size of the image. Modify the position of the image. Make their images unviewable. We add a container here. Adjust the size of the container. Cancel its background color. Insert a text box at the same time. Enter the text first. Replace the color with white. Modify the size of the text box. Align them top left. Insert a text box. Click on the text box. We enter the text. Modify its color. Resize the text box. Add stacking. We insert another container. Adjust the size of the container. Add another rounded corner. Modify its background color. Insert a text box at the same time. Modify the size of the text. Center it vertically and horizontally. Change its color to white. We insert a container. Modify the container size. Add a rounded corner. Add another background color. Select an icon to insert. Modify the icon size. Change the color of the icon to white. Perform horizontal centering. We add another text box. Enter the text. Modify the text size. Change the text color to white. Add a stack. Make a free arrangement. After that, we add another container here. Adjust the size of the container. Cancel its background color. Add a container. Modify the container size. Add a rounded corner to it. The background color is modified to blue. Perform vertical centering. Insert another text box. Enter the text. Replace the color of this text. And center it vertically and horizontally. Into this container we insert a container. Modify the container size. Cancel the background color of the container. Into this container we insert a container. Modify the background and size of the container. Add a rounded corner. In this container we insert a text box. Modify the size of the text. Center it vertically and horizontally. Click on this container. Add a general model variable. Make a copy. Then enter the number of copies to be made. Add a stack to it. Click on this text box again. Add a one-dimensional model variable to it. Double-click to add. Enter the text. Make a replacement. Adjust the font size. Change the color of the font. Then click on this container again. We add a substate to it. Activate the substate. Change the color of the text to white. Then click on this container again. I'm going to add a substate to it. Click to activate. Modify the background color. Let's add another container. Modify the container size, putting it in a horizontal play. Click on this container to cancel the association. Remove the rounded corners from the bottom of it. Cancel its background color, add a container. Click on this container, we will modify its size. Center it horizontally. Cancel its background color, add a stroke. Choose a color. Finally, we add a text box. Enter the text. Adjust the font size. Center it vertically. The font color is changed to gray. Insert another text box. Enter the text first. Modify the font size. The font color is changed to white. Center it right justified vertically. Click on this container, we add a general model variable to it. Make a copy. Enter the number of copies to be made. Activate the stack afterwards. Make a free arrangement. We then click on this text box again, add a one-dimensional model variable to it. Double-click to add. Enter the text. The text is then replaced. Perform the same operation, add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click to add. Enter the text. Replace its text. We then click on this text box again, add a substate. Click to activate the status. Replace the text color with green. Afterwards, click on this large container again. We add a status to him, activation status, make it invisible. Afterwards, activate state 1 again, click on this icon. Add an interaction. Click on the status change. Preview. Iofod is a beginner-friendly application editing tool that allows you to quickly edit the interface of your application. Thanks for watching. See you next time.